In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Undertale on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can play Undertale on any mobile device. Something that I need to make very clear is that officially Undertale is not available. So as you can clearly see here, you have it available on various different platforms officially, so Nintendo Switch, PC, PlayStation, PlayStation Vita, and Xbox. However, there is no mention of mobile devices. Like I said before, officially it has never been ported, but you are able to play as long as you own an original copy of the game through PC. So if you have a genuine copy of the game, you can download QuickTale. So look for QuickTale on the Play Store or the App Store, and after you download it, you can open it up. So they will give you instructions on how to set up QuickTale. In this brief tutorial, we will show you how to set up the app correctly. Basically, this is going to read the files of the game that you own through Steam. So all that you have to do is gather the files from Steam. You can see from the image what you have to do here. So you right-click the game, go over to Properties, and then browse local files. Then you grab the folder that contains all of the game's contents, and you have to copy the folder into your mobile device. Usually this will be done by connecting your mobile device to a PC or a laptop with a USB cable. After it is done, make sure that you give the app permissions to access your files, and then just choose Select Folder. After you have selected the proper folder of the game that contains all of the necessary files, you can tap Start. You might see an ad or two, and as long as you properly inserted the game files, the game should start. Now, of course, for me, it won't start because I didn't configure it properly, but as long as you load the resources of the game here, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Undertale on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.